Hey everyone, good morning. So after 2018 again I'm here in Koh Sadri, and this is my fifth time, and 25 was the first my visit here. Then second I was in here in 29, then 2011 and 18, and next is 2024, and today with me our bro Tejas. Okay, so like it's not like it's a very nice track every time I should come. It's not like this. Whenever I'm in Bangalore, I just join some track, that's all. And today we have a big group. It's like 22 people, and so this is fun here, you lost the route or you're confused, then finally you see after sometimes you are in some other place. Today we have Virat Kohli with us. So Virat Kohli's elder brother, bro, your name?
Harshit.
Harshit is the Virat Kohli's elder brother, and here is the Virat Kohli, you can see. So we are very glad that Indian captain here today, and this is one of the most memorable trip it is going to be. And if you guys remember that Jurassic Park, that part 2, Lost World, that green grass scene, that green grass, they said don't cross the grass. These are the grasses, These places usually have lots of leeches and all. You need to cross fast as soon as possible. Okay, so I was already said in earlier vlogs, right? It means green grass wherever you see, you need to cross fast because of the leeches and insects. So this is my first trek of 2024, and thing is that last year you might have seen my video that I said that Vadikunja was my last trek of Western Ghats, but thing is that I can't control whenever I'm in Bangalore, right? So I must trek somewhere. That's the reason I'm back to Western Ghats again. So Pima madam, so we are very happy today. In our team, Virat Kohli is there. Virat Kohli's elder brother is there, and now you see, I'll introduce them.
Younger sister.
And younger sister of Virat Kohli, and she's from Puma. We are very happy that we are going to get some 1,000 rupees gift voucher after this trip. Okay, she already announced internally, but not still announced. So everyone is happy, and of course that was the only reason I am doing her video and all. So she said, "Ma'am, how is your feeling today?"
I feel great.
Okay.
It's a lovely trek,
Okay.
and I have Uday with me, who's
Okay.
such an amazing person.
And you say he is going to be my personal photographer. So for the first layer of Western Ghats, not Western Ghats, any trek if you are going, we have 3 levels, right? First level initially, that first 2 kilometers. Then the second level, dense rainforest and all. Third level will be like, normal, with not much, it's kinds of grassland. So this is the first layer, we are almost about to complete. Then second layer we have to go a little bit down for the if you see that paddy field area, that the Halli. So Halli means village in Karnataka. So Halli mane, it means village house. So we can go there. Then after that we have to trek again 1.5 kilometers approximate, or probably a little bit more, to the trek to the waterfall, and that is the waterfall, Hidlu Mane. So till now, so far so good. People are trekking very peacefully today, just because there is no leeches yet. I am expecting leeches should be there, some noise should be there. Without leeches, trek is incomplete. So
Okay,
finally,
your picture.
leeches.
Is that a leech?
Yes,
Okay.
that's the leech.
Sugandha, I saved you, remember?
Save it.
Thank
me
you.
too.
Ah,
If you see
Look at this, and even my legs, you can see here, I have that.
Oh
I
my
can
God.
feel. I can feel that.
do you
My
want
left.
salt or something?
So after my leg broken, now I have lots of difficulties.
Oh.
As you know, last 3 years I am trekking with rigs. 30 screws in my leg. I am a partial handicapped person. Still, my happiness is that even after that, I am trekking. That's all.
Respect, man.
If you remember ZBL, here is the place we were clicking this photo in 2018. I'll tell you who is that guy. So now I'm going to tell you the person whom I have clicked that photo in that tree. That was Kusard Kapila. He is one of my good friends. He's from North. The Kusard Kapila and me, we did this trek in 2018, and this is the another tree. We have another click from the behind, you know. So I can remember Kusard भाई, देखो 18 में हम लोग JBL से ट्रैक किया था कोटसदरी, और अभी ये 2024 में, I know you are in UK, but still I am just back from Malaysia day before yesterday, and I am remembering you here in Western Ghats. Got it? याद है ना 2018 में हम लोग आया था JBL से. That was one of the best trek. I mean, because of the group. Okay. So again, this year I'm coming here just because I don't have any other options. Other slots are already booked, and nowadays, you know, here in Bangalore started like registration to the wildlife division directly. You should get a mail. After that only you can come, after confirmation. So things are changed. Of course, it's a long back, right? We stay in Bangalore. So ये देखो, मतलब फोटोशूट ओनली स्टूडियो में नहीं होता है. इन लोगों ने प्री वेडिंग किया, इन लोग दुबई गया, उसके आके फिर ये देखो यहाँ आके इन लोगों ने फिर ये देखो, ये इसको बोलता है एंथुसियाज्म. मतलब अच्छा लगता है. This is the most amazing experience when you are walking over the, you know, streams. It's so cold and refreshing water. That's how we trek. Trek doesn't mean just you are going and climbing. You should have some fun. And our Teja, he's also enjoying, but this time he is full geared, you know. It's not like us, like half pant and all. So anyway, finally, this is the view. Beautiful view.
group photo.
Group photo, everyone come.
Come on.
Look
2, 1.
अच्छा, ये जो आवाज दिया फोटो में आ जाएगा ना, वो आवाज फोटो में आ जाएगा ना. So here is the entire team. You see, we are 22 people this time, and it's fun. You know, entire group is really nice, and that's what I can say. So the next part is like we are now walking towards Hidlumane Falls. That is the area, you know, Paddyfield area. If you see, if you check in Google, usually you can find these three parts of this trek. Initial part, second part, and third part. After that, we will go to Mukambika. Okay, Mukambika will be, we have to climb like that way. This is Mukambika. So here is the Haldimane point, the first point. We will stop here for some time. Then next we are going to Hidlumane Falls. That's all. ये देखो सब लोग यहाँ पे आके, ये हम लोग का आज का जो नेविगेटर है ना, नेविगेटर यही है. फिर मैं जब पीछे आ रहा था ना, ये कौन चिल्ला रहा है? अच्छा, क्या नाम है आपका? वैभव भाई चिल्ला रहा है. तब तो हम लोग ठीक रोड में जा रहा है. मतलब हम लोग पीछे था ना सबसे, इसको आवाज सुन के मतलब लग रहा था. पहले सोचा था वो हाथी का कुछ ये होगा, बच्चा उससे होगा, ठीक है ना. तो बाद में लगा हाथी का बच्चा नहीं है, वो एक्चुअल हाथी हम लोग होते हैं ना. बीच बीच में आवाज दे रहा है. इट्स गुड मैन, सोशल वर्क. गॉड ब्लेस यू. जल्दी शादी हो जाए, बच्चा उससे हो जाए, फिर फैमिली लेके आ जाओ. ब्लेसिंग्स देखो, सब लोग ब्लेसिंग्स कर रहे हैं भाई. इफ यू आर नॉट देयर, फर्स्ट टाइम ओनली वी लॉस्ट द रूट, राइट, है ना. पहले बार ही हम लोग गलती में गया था।
Have you realized she's filming you?
I remember.
अच्छा बाबा एक बात बताओ,
हाँ बोलिए।
ये किस सेक्शन से लिया ना शूज?
हाँ
कितना नंबर 3 और 4?
वो छोड़िए ना वो मैंने ले लिया वो। अब आगे क्या करे?
ना मैं देख के ऐसे लग रहा था कितना होगा।
6 नंबर है, छोड़ दीजिए।
At least now people will feel happy that because they are spending lots of money for this new raincoats. You see everybody. Now it's raining, so they will be happy that okay, finally it's worth to buy these things. See this guy, Decathlon again. Okay, this everyone. And we are like crazy guys. We don't have raincoat. We don't have money. Poor guys, you know. And so this is the Golden Gate Bridge of here. People are crossing first time. No one is taking selfie. Just past the first checkpoint where that forest people, they have taken our identity. I mean that Xerox copy of the Aadhaar card, and they verified is it yours or not, the person things, the new process. It's really good. So they are verifying. After verifying, this is the area, you know, if you see in Google, you always see that okay, that Kudre, sorry, not Kudre, I'm sorry, that Kodsadri have the 3 part of things. First part is like till to that house, checkpost. The second part is this paddy field. It's like, you know, most of the people are saying it's like a Bali. Okay, it's nothing like Bali. If you go northeast also, you can see this kinds of field, but this is called the zoom technique. Okay, how to, I mean, cultivate these things. That is one thing. Okay, so the next part from here, approximately 2.5 kilometers, or you can say 3 kilometers, the Hidlumane Falls. So from Hidlumane Falls, the third part will be starting to Mukambika temple. That's all, nothing much here in this track. Hello, and I'm here. Look at these people. So this is the fun, you know, just on the way to Hidlumane Falls. This is like just normal photo stop. So I always like to walk over the water. That's the main thing. Otherwise, look at the difficulty. आप यहाँ दे दो। हाँ बस 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 बस। हाँ ये साइड से आ जाओ, ये साइड से आ जाओ। हाँ इजीली, इजी इजी। हाँ यहाँ पर मत दो, 1 मिनट। हाँ जाइए। हाँ अभी उधर दीजिए बस। रुकिए, आपको भी हाथ पकड़ रहा हूँ, रुको। हाँ बस आराम से। हाँ उधर दीजिए, उधर दिए, उधर बस। हाँ बस चलो बस। हाँ ब्रो, कम कम कम। Slowly, don't use this stick, okay? No stick, just come. No, normally you come. So this is how we need to help each other.
It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. I got it.
No, it will be skid here. Everybody is skidding.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. Come this. So this is what we need to follow in a track. We cannot leave anyone behind. We need to help each other. A minor accident here, and our brother got hurt just because, you know, this area was completely stupid. Okay. For me it's very difficult. You see, I am sitting over here and crossing the river, I mean the falls. Not only me, everyone is behind. थोड़ा सा रुको. Good. Thank you, sir. And the hardest part we are crossing right now after Hidlumane Falls. So many of the people, earlier days they came to Hidlumane Falls and back. That is actually not the complete track. The complete track means you have to go. So here you see this area is super risky. If you skip, then you're gone. Gone is gone completely. You'll be in like 300 or 400 meters below the falls, So if you're coming to Kodsadri track, keep in mind this area. I'm telling you again, for me it's super risky because of my leg. It's already broken. Still going on. We need to climb to the main falls. Look at this guy. So that's what, whenever you're coming here, you need to remember 3 parts of this fall: initial phase, second phase, and the final phase. Okay, but most of the time what people are coming to the second phase, then they return. So don't do that. Keep patience and come to top. हम लोग को ये कपल्स को देखो, ये पहन के उधर ये पहले बार देख रहा हूँ, रेनकोट पहन के वाटरफॉल्स के नीचे। ये लोग को देखो, हम लोग को देखो, नहीं इसको भी देखो। Yes, she is the one who was not in the video. She has the lead today. So now again the next part is like, we have to climb up, then we'll get a certain point. From there we need to trek till Mukambika. Okay, then we'll take a jeep and we are going to wind up the trip. That's all. Climb, everyone climb. Who wants to climb in this video? Chalo. भाई वीडियो बोल दिया, तुम इतना जोश में आ गया। धीरे धीरे बाबा, वीडियो बोलते ही जोश में आ गया एकदम। Now look at this. As I told, this is the hardest part of this track.
What camera is this?
So no, this is what exactly. You see how people are climbing and everyone is so careful. If little bit missed, you are just out of this route. That's what. So the toughest part, and here is the lead. And here I am, Uday. हाँ ये देखो मेके लास्ट में।
Wait, one at a time.
Boys played well.
बंदा खुश है पूरा, इसको वीडियो ले रहा है ना।
अच्छा।
हाँ, जब मेरा टाइम आएगा मेरा कोई ऐसा वीडियो ही नहीं क्योंकि मैं लास्ट में हूँ। So still we are climbing, you know. The thing is that the main protocol is that if someone is asking how far from here to the final point, we have to say just 5 minutes. So that's what I'm even following. After 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, it's like after 5 years I'm on the same place, and you see the beauty of, you know, Western Ghats. As I said, I always expect rain and end of the trek, and that makes me happy, and that's it. I need to wait for sometimes at least half an hour or probably 20 minutes to get it clear. Then we can see the view of the other hills. That's one of the best thing from here. Okay, so finally we reached the second point, and next move will be Mugamika. Finally summiting the peak. This is not actually summiting the peak, but yeah, this is one of the peak. Look at this. Wow, so relaxing here. That's why we are climbing, you know. This is at the top of the hill. See the beautiful Western Ghats. But yeah, lots of view today we are missing just because of it's a rainy day. What happened? Everyone is busy with Ori.
Ori got leeches.
So we are very glad, you know, Ori is traveling with us, and this is a nice.
Bro, initially I saw him, I was like, bro, Ori is traveling with us.
Exactly. Exactly, Pratik, how is your feeling? You are, I mean, this big celebrity, right?
Big.
So tonight it will be Ori has to give us the full idea about how he got into
Alia Bhatt and many other actors.
Okay, and how he.
I don't know what he does.
That pause, you know.
Oh my god.
No, that pause photo. Okay, what is that pause? This one. That pause.
Something like this, no?
Sorry.
Go home and research about Ori.
This vlog is going.
No, we'll research it now. We'll tell you about him now only.
No. Should we? This vlog after posting, no, his life will be changed.
Tag Ori.
Exactly. After making this video.
doppelganger.
Yeah.
सही में
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
अभी और भी अच्छा है, आगे देखेंगे।
आप यहाँ पे 5 बार आ चुके हो?
Exactly. This is my 5th time.
5th time.
आता रहना है ये सब. But I suggest you to go if you want to multiple times go. Once in a year you to go to Kudremukh. Kudremukh have a different, I mean, divine feeling, view and the feelings. You know, you don't want to trek. ये है हम लोग का प्रतीक भाई, मतलब आज का ग्रुप में सबसे जो क्या बोलते हैं छोटा एंथुसियास्ट है ना, करके लोग इसको देख रहे हैं. तो प्रतीक भाई बहुत एक्सपीरियंस ट्रैकर है ये. हिमालय वगैरह जाके आया है. एक टाइम अपना ये उसका वीडियो नहीं था, बाद में बोला गया उदय भाई नहीं ले, इसलिए. और कुछ बोलना है, बोला नमस्कार वगैरह दो.
नमस्कार. सत श्री अकाल.
हाँ
अल्लाह बहुत कुछ.
हाँ ठीक है, बस. आज सबसे अच्छा चीज़ मैंने क्या देखा मालूम है? वाटरफॉल्स में रेनकोट पहन के नहाना, ये पहले बात देखा मैंने.
ये मेरे को टोन चाहिए.
And now again the green grass, you know. Look at this. Yes, this is the correct route. If you lost, then you're gone. 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes, huh?
Only 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. You can see the peak only. You see this? So we are now going back, and completely it's a hillside. You see that? So risky here, and it's like, see, people already skipped. So we are on the last part of the trek. So first part Paddyfield we have crossed, then Hidlumane Falls, then now we are going to Mukambika, the third part, then we are going to end up.
This is so slippery.
This area, you know, the Kudremukh, the same entrance.
Yeah.
That road is there, left side, that green hill, the same, exactly the same place. And it's very scary and slippery here. And this is the, I mean, these are the people. If we count the photos tomorrow, right, they will have at least 1 TB hard disk. Okay, we never seen any person taking that much photo. And every place with every grass, okay, they have photos with every tree and every leaf of the tree, okay. These two guys, and not a single video they missed. মোৰ যদি আগৰ ভিডিঅ' চাই তেতিয়াহ'লে সেইটোৱে হৈছে ছেকেণ্ড পইণ্ট, য'ৰ পৰা জীপ পাই যাবৰ কাৰণে। So this is the point. From here we'll go by jeep.
We have water.
Everyone is following the monk.
ठीक है, nice.
ऐसे तो मैंने जूस पी लिया है।
कुद्रेमुख से
सब
आसान
देखो।
था ना?
एक फोटो के लिए लोग देखो कहाँ से कहाँ भाग रहे हैं ना, बस बोल दिया सब आ रहा है। देखो बस डाउन में उतना ही। बच्चे लोग आगे हैं, बच्चे आगे हैं, बाकी जितना पेरेंट्स लोग पीछे है हाइट वाला। बच्चे कहाँ गए हम लोग? ये मगा बने
मैं तो सबसे आगे ना।
नहीं वो आपसे भी छोटा है ना। और आपको क्यों लग रहा है कि आपको क्यों लग रहा है कि आप 4 पहन रहे हैं, वो 3 पहन रहा है? That is what you need to say. हाँ, वही बड़ा है वो, और वो भी हील वाला देखा ना वो। इसे आप डोंट फील दैट यू आर द वन, है ना। लाखों में एक नहीं, 1 करोड़ में एक है। आज वो नहीं होता ना, हम लोग रूट मिस हो जाता। कितना चिल्लाया। We like this. हाँ, that's what. Guys, 1, 2, 3. And now we need to walk. This is the best part, you know, of this trek. Now it's drizzling here, and we are almost wound up. The next thing is that we are going back
I
by
thought you were
jeep.
talking to her.
So that is what. It's fun actually today. This group was really nice.
What tooth you are talking
I'm
about?
saying truth. T-R-U, truth. That 5 minutes next kilometer.
You are a big liar. Oscar level liar you are.
This is what I'm going to put in my video. And this is the most honest person, you know. See?
This guy,
It is very honest. Because he's not a liar. देखो जीप देखने के लिए सब लेफ्ट साइड ले लिया। So finally here at Mukambika, and I'll show you the banner of Mukambika. 1 minute. Now again we have to trek till temple, Mukambika temple. Here's the starting point. You know that jeep point, you know, from where jeep started. So we can go to temple and come back. On the way to Mukambika, this is Bhadrakali temple. See here. So the first temple, if you climb up, then first temple is Bhadrakali, then Parvati Ishwara, then the top, that is the Sankarapit, and the temple is the Mukambika temple. That's what. So we trekked for that only. Just have a look. The difficulty again. Difficulty means it's a very narrow road till the Mukambika temple. And yeah, people are climbing actually. Even I am climbing now. Yeah, of course, if you're here, you should be visiting the temple. And finally the last moment we reach here. People are already stuck here in rain. See, everyone is in temple. Look at this, everyone here. So finally here we enter the city. Thing is that here in Mokamika mainly it's heavily rain right now. You won't be able to see any of the view, side view. So we went to top. Now this is the final return. You know, we are going back. It's like no point of staying here. It's heavily rain here. It's it's a heavy downpour. So yes, going back. So day one is almost over. Don't cross the green grass. Really enjoyed this trek today. Amazing. So we are back and this is the final run. Now we'll be back to jeep point, and from there we'll take the jeep and going back to homestay. And of course, you know, it's actually fun. It was heavily raining on top of the mountain, and yes, so I always like walking, you know, through the ridge or walking by the hillside. That makes me really happy, you know. It's a little bit of scared, and again if you see down you see so yes, that's all. I really enjoyed the day, and I must say thanks to those guys who is always arranging this thing and taking care of everything. Okay, like Surabhi and Teja, they're the guide this time, so I like to thank them for a beautiful trek, you know. That's all.
So we all got together for one of the guys' marriage.
That's what people are trekking. They're like full freedom, you see. घर में जो freedom नहीं मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे देखो. वाह. देखो अभी कितना आशाएं लेके इधर आते हैं लोग. So that's how you should come and trek. You made all of, madam. So how you feel this trek? How you like?
It was excellent, superb.
How's the team mainly?
Team is good. I
that
just
is
love
most-
that. The
most
conversations, the bonding, the teasing, it's just super.
Everything is
super.
good. The energetic too, right?
Exactly, yeah.
That is how actually we expected from any trek.
Yes.
Doesn't matter the place. Important is the group. मजा आ जाता है ना?
बहुत
सबको-
मजा,
वही.
बहुत मजा.
देखो, this is what, you know, we are trekking everywhere. And hello everyone, good morning. So today is day 2, and yep, we have done our trek yesterday. It's really awesome. Especially the group is really, you know, everyone is so energetic and so nice people. So we have done. The next part is that, as usual, the next day will be, of course, will be in Nagara Fort, and here is the Nagara Fort. Again, I'm back. You know, of course, if you're coming to Kodsadri, the next day will be Nagara Fort. You should be here. Okay, now, so after 2018, again I'm back to, you know, Nagara Fort, and here is what the view of the fort you can see here. So finally back to Nagara Fort, and as you know, this was like Sivappa Nayak's fort, and like built in 15th century. Today we don't have, like, you know, time to explore the entire fort. Even I was here earlier. So because of the rain, it's a heavily rain here. We are heading towards Bangalore, and you see just bit view of the entire fort, and that is the place, actually main destination. We should be there. From there we can see an entire view of the Western Ghats and all, and that's all. And you know, this was what? This was like a darbar. So I mean that King's Darbar, you know, Sivappa Nayak. So this is 1645 to 1763. So think I am the king and this is my darbar. Now, so that's what, even what happened, right? People usually not interested to visit the historical places, but we must visit just because, you know, you need to see how it was, the earlier technologies and, you know, architectures and everything. So that's how I always enjoy whenever I am coming. Maybe I have visited multiple times, but still I want to see the difference and how they are handling right now things, you know. It's not about that simply, okay, we have a banner of ASI. It's not like that, but how local people are treating this place or other tourists like that. Okay, people already reached to the top, Jet Security Tomb. So here's the entire view of Nagara Fort. Even though it's raining, still I want to climb a bit, you know. I can't control, and that's the reason. So you see it's heavily raining, and yeah, people already reached top, but I am yet to reach, or probably I'll go halfway, then I'll be back. Because today I'm in not a mood to climb all those things. I don't want to wait again. So the other side of the fort, and I'm not exactly in the top of the fort. You can see this is the western side, and here's the part just before it's the top. And as I told, I'm not going to top. It's heavily raining now. Just have a look from top, the entire view of the fort. And Raj Darbar, I mean the king's.
अपनी बीवी को घर छोड़ के आया है।
बीवी भाग के चली गई है। बीवी भाग के चली गई है।
Good. Actually, this is the inspiration, you know. बीबी को छोड़ के इधर आया, बारिश में भीग के।
बीवी है नहीं भाई।
अब देखो, लेडीज कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता है।
मम्मी बोलेगी शादी कब की है?
अब देखो, हाँ, लेडीज झूठ नहीं बोल रहा है, देखो।
क्या हो गया भाई? ये मत डालियो, मेरी माँ शादी करवा देगी।
बीवी को छोड़ कर आए हैं ये।
So finally here we are from TV9 and we are in Nagara Fort, and you see there is a claw is going on right now. कहाँ गया? वो कौन सा ट्रैक में है?
मेरे तनाही में।
But हम लोग को ये ट्रिप में एक अच्छा था क्या? The best part was there was a CEO and CIO. Please meet CEO of this track and CIO of this track.
CIO का full form क्या?
What is CIO?
Chief Information Officer.
मैं बोलूँ क्या यार तुम लोग को पता ही नहीं।
And of course we have an NRI here. He is from Canada, so we are very happy that Ori is here and other.
Origin bus.
And yesterday I already told that we have like Virat Kohli and his elder brother.
जब लॉग कर लेंगे ना तो एक बार है ना वो गगन को फोटो और ही को दिखाएंगे यार।
हाँ, दिखाएंगे।
ये और ही है भाई। देख लियो।
Okay, and most interesting part, you know who is the sports guy? Is that the Iron Man, our like Tejas. और ये मैडम नमस्कार मैडम ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿನಾ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸರಿ